The setup and use of the passive GAT trap for collecting gravid tiger mosquitoes. Dr. Scott Gordon, medical entomologist for over 40 years, will guide you through the setup and use of the passive GAT trap.
When targeting female container breeding mosquitoes such as Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus that have already taken a blood meal and are seeking a place to lay eggs, the GAT offers an affordable and effective means to sample this population. One of the advantages of the trap is that it is passive, which means it requires no external power or CO2, and this makes it very easy for you to deploy in a wide variety of situations. It also makes it a very easy trap to operate. So let's get started first with the simple setup of the trap.
First, fill the black bucket with water up to the drainage slits. As an oviposition attractant, add a small handful of hay or grass. Other organic materials such as 1 yeast tablet, rabbit chow, or dried oak leaves can also be used. Place the catch bag over the transparent chamber and secure it with the ring. Place the transparent chamber on the bucket. Finally, insert the black funnel in the chamber. Female mosquitoes, attracted by water and oviposition cues, enter the transparent chamber through the funnel. The catch bag provides a barrier between mosquitoes and the infused water. Inside the trap, mosquitoes fly around in an attempt to escape and are drawn to the walls of the translucent chamber where they can be killed.
To kill mosquitoes in the GAT trap, you have several options. First, to prevent larval development, we recommend that you add just a little bit of a biological like BTI to the water infusion. To kill the adults, there are 3 methods that are commonly used. The first is to use a residual insecticide spray.
Apply a light coating of the insecticide to the inside of the transparent part of the trap.
A second method, more affordable, is to use a light cooking oil, such as canola oil.
Apply a thin coat of oil with a paper towel to the inside of the transparent part of the trap. The oil will cause mosquitoes flying around to get stuck on the inside wall of the transparent section.
A third option, which we recommend, is the use of sticky cards, which are available from Biogents.
Just pop out the disc with the Biogents logo from the top of the transparent chamber and place the sticky card holder there. Hang the sticky card on the hook.
Positioning of the GAT depends somewhat on the species that you're targeting. If you're trying to collect Aedes aegypti, it might have a little bit different placement than with Aedes albopictus. I'll now show you how to position the trap for Aedes albopictus.
The trap needs to be placed in a shady, humid, and wind-protected location, for example, here in residential areas. Please note that the GAT should be readily visible to the mosquitoes, so do not hide the GAT in the bushes. A possible location can also be near resting sites of mosquitoes or near shrubs or in a natural environment under overhanging bushes.
Positioning the GAT to collect Aedes aegypti is similar to what you would use for Aedes albopictus, but because Aedes aegypti is more closely associated with human habitations, often resting indoors and sometimes even breeding indoors, you can place the GAT for Aedes aegypti close to the house and even inside the house, and this might be the case in tropical areas. The servicing interval for the GAT is largely dependent on weather and mosquito abundance.
Replace the sticky card on a regular basis or when it is full. By placing the card in a plastic sleeve, you can easily add collection information and transport the cards back to the lab for identification. Oils or residual surface sprays on the transparent chamber should be reapplied at least monthly. The water infusion should also be replaced on a monthly basis. When temperatures are high, servicing of the traps may need to be more frequent. The BG-GAT is affordable, user-friendly, and can be operated without the use of any insecticides. Additionally, it is highly specific to gravid mosquitoes and the bycatch is very low. Beneficial insects are not attracted to the trap. All these factors make the BG-GAT the perfect environmentally friendly tool for collection of gravid Aedes albopictus and Aedes aegypti.